Daisy. Daisy, are you a pretty bird? Daisy, are you a pretty bird? Yeah, you're a very pretty bird. Do you want to have a nap? Do you want to have a nappy? Can I see your eggs? Can I see your eggs? Daisy, I'm going to see your eggs. Come on, show me them. Look. Look. Daisy. Daisy, why are you wet? You took a shower. You took a shower, didn't you? Yeah. You're tired, aren't you? Where's Bella? Bella's missing. Daisy. Where's Bella? You don't care? Yeah. You want to go to sleep? Go to sleep. I'm going to take your egg. 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 Okay, I won't. Can I? Can I take your egg? Can I take your egg? Daisy, can I take your egg? No? You're making a nest, aren't you? You ripped the tissue paper. You ripped it all. I'm gonna let you go to sleep, okay? Good night.